Best Stocks, the best channel for you to keep up to date on the stock market. PayPal stock forecast and price prediction. PayPal stock forecast has a minimum price of $82 and a maximum of $255, according to 45 Wall Street analysts making the price prediction for the next 12 months. The average price prediction is $124.27, representing a 56% gain compared to PayPal's current price. The analysts have increased the stock forecast this week, lowering the minimum price from $85 and increasing the maximum price from $190 compared to last week's forecast. After delivering great Q1 2022 earnings, beating EPS by 0.24% and revenues by 1.18%, experts agree that PayPal stock forecast is promising. Out of 44 stock ratings, 32 is a buy recommendation, 12 a hold, and none is a sell recommendation. This week, the only sell rating that the company reported before Q1 2022 earnings has been converted into a buy rating. PayPal's maximum price target of $250 for the next 12 months suggests a significant stock value rise. Hence, analysts are confident about the future growth of the company and its success in the coming years. PayPal stock forecast in June 2022. $94.22 is the average projected price for a PayPal stock in June 2022. In addition, the stock is predicted to have monthly volatility of 9.718% in June, a record low for the stock. $99.48 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock forecast in July 2022. $95.83 is the average projected price for a PayPal stock in July 2022, according to the most recent data. Stock is predicted to have monthly volatility of up to 8.907% in July, continuing the current trend of rising prices. $98.76 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock forecast in August 2022. In August 2022, the average projected price for a PayPal stock is 95.31 cents. The stock price will likely see monthly volatility of 8.354% in August due to the company's unfavorable stock price dynamics. $100.63 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock forecast in September 2022. In September 2022, the weighted average price per PayPal stock is expected to be $98.57. In September, stock is projected to have a favorable dynamic with likely monthly volatility of 8.042%. $93.34 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock forecast in October 2022. For a PayPal stock in October 2022, the average weighted price estimate for the company is $100.88. In October, stock is projected to have a positive dynamic with likely monthly volatility of 5.544%. $103.88 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock forecast in November 2022. As of November 20, 2022, the average price per PayPal stock is estimated to be about $107.87. Supply is predicted to have monthly volatility of 9.915% in November, a record high. $115.54 is the maximum price target. PayPal stock price forecast 2022 to 2024. ROA, EPS, and ROE. PIPL. A. With a 12.96% profit growth rate is predicted to outpace the U.S. credit services sector's forecasted 12.4% profit growth rate. However, the U.S. market's average anticipated profits growth rate of 15.73% is not likely to be exceeded. But with projected revenue of $3,581 million in 2022, PayPal hopes to be profitable. Analysts expect PIPL will earn $3,126,707,808 in 2022 on average. The lowest estimate is $2,837,197.226 and the highest estimate is $3,868,853,363. Pipple's profits for 2023 are expected to be $4,157,363,345 on average, with the lowest Pipple earnings estimate at $3,254,092,200 and the highest Pipple earnings predicted at $5,257,501,278. Pipple expects to make $5,025,893,292 in revenue in 2024, with $4,493,194,925 as the lowest revenue and $5,303,822,875 as the highest. PYPL, annual revenue growth of 13.26% for PayPal is anticipated to outpace the U.S. credit services industry's 12.33% predicted revenue growth rate and the U.S. market's 10.2% growth rate. To put these figures in perspective, PayPal's revenue in 2022 will be $26,821 million. Pipple's revenue is expected to be $3,581,000,000 in 2022, according to Wall Street analysts. The lowest revenue forecast for Pipple is $2,837,197,826, and the highest sales projection for Pipple is $3,126,707,808. As a group of 12 financial experts, they predict that Pipple's revenue for 2023 will be $4,157,363,345 on average, with the lowest Pipple revenue at an estimated $3,254,092,200 and the highest projection Pipple revenue at $5,257,501,278. Pipple is expected to create revenue of $5,025,893,292 in 2024, with the lowest revenue estimate at $4,493,194,925 and the highest revenue forecast at $5,303,822,875. This is the highest revenue projection. An expected ROA of 6.6% is lower than the anticipated U.S. credit services sector average of 26.84%, which Pipple, NASDAQ, Pipple, falls within. The EPS for PayPal is $3.06, PYPL. Pipple's EPS for 2022 is estimated to be $2.70, with the lowest EPS predicted at 2.45 and the most excellent EPS predicted at 3.34, on average, according to experts. Average earnings per share, EPS, estimates from analysts for Pipple's fiscal year 2023 range from $2.81, lowest estimate, to $4.54, highest estimate. Predicted earnings per share for Pipple in 2024 range from $3.88 to $4.05. Regarding ROE, NASDAQ, Pipple expects a significant 24.28%. PayPal stock forecast, key takeaways. PayPal stock forecast ranges from $82 to $255 for the next 12 months. The average price prediction is $124.27, which would mean a substantial gain for investors. There are no sell ratings for PayPal. Analysts are confident about Pipple growth after the company has revealed above the expectations EPS and revenues for Q1 2022. Experts grade PayPal positively because of its attractive value and strong growth momentum in the short and long period. Did you like the video? Leave your like, subscribe, and activate the bell, so you don't miss the next videos.